Why'd you stop now that we're recording you? Just go again?
Okay. Okay.
What? What? What is it?
You don't hear that?
There's something. Just crack.
Where did you go?
There's something out there.
There is definitely something out here.
Okay, fucking yeah. My heart's racing, dude.
Yeah, my fight or flight is definitely jumping.
Well, that don't help an EVP session.
No.
Loud ass fucking truck.
It just hasn't.
It hasn't gone off since. My name's Alex. This is Tiffany. What's your name? What?
Her breathing.
Did you really? If you get too creeped out and you want to go, let me know. Alright, I put the camera on the K2 and you decide to leave. What?
Her librarian dog.
Yeah, I think it was. Yeah.
Yeah. We'd like to know why you are still back here.
There's a little boy back here with us. We know there's a little boy back here. We're not going to hurt you.
The energy changed.
Yeah.
It feels like we just got crowded.
Me?
Yeah.
Light those lights up again. I know you know what they are. We ain't been the only ones back here. We're not going to be with you a full night tonight. We'll come back later and probably do that.
Can you try the flashlight?
What do you mean? Oh, the flashlight trick?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you put your flashlight down here?
Huh?
There you go.
Mine don't work. Mine don't work too well.
No, yeah, I was just saying, see.
Because mine's a push button.
Okay. That's not it.
It was so weird how that K2 hasn't went off since then.
Okay, if you see this little blue flashlight down here,
Right there.
I've turned it to where you can turn it on yourself. All you have to do is twist the end of it right here. Just a little bit. So if there's anyone here, you can let us know.
What? What? What'd you hear?
Oh, little footsteps.
Did you? Little footsteps? Is there a little boy back here? The fuck was that?
That was my breathing.
Was it? No.
Yes.
I thought I heard
felt
something.
it vibrate in my throat.
Okay.
Can you turn the flashlight on for me? Okay.
Now watch, as soon as I turn my video off, it's gonna start lighting up like a fucking Christmas tree again.
Yeah, that's what it is.
I want somebody to tell me that don't believe in ghosts to come fucking stay out here for a whole night.
Yeah.
Just without any flashlights, without any nothing. Just come out here and sleep on one of these for a night. Holy shit. You should, look at that twig moving. See that?
Oh, boy.
It just, something just almost like, it walked right through it. I didn't see nothing, but that twig just fucking like, unless something fell out of a tree or something maybe, but. You hear that?
Yeah.
This place is awesome. You coming to join us? What?
Light trick.
K2 hasn't even done nothing.
Nope.
It's like something came and it was like, oh, hey, I'm here too. And then just left.
Wonder if we got anything on EVP.
Oh, shit. I'm not even worried about that. I'm almost certain we do. If I got if I got 7 EVPs within 20 minutes in the middle of the fucking day.
Yep.
Why did you leave us? Come sit back down. What? Yeah. You hearing that little shit all around? That was weird. Did you see those branches moving a minute ago?
Yeah.
No, I mean, they were moving heavy for a second. I mean, they're dead still now. Everything is.
And there's nothing over here.
It's not like, it was almost like, I mean, to get them to move that hard, it would have to stick would have had to fell out of the tree or something. Wow. Hear something?
Yeah.
What was it?
Wait. No. Who's out there? Oh my God.
What? What? See, it could be squirrels or anything too, though. I mean, sticks and stuff like that. I mean, I'm not too quick to jump at paranormal.
I'm an animal.
Yeah. No, I mean, that branch.
Are you back? Was that you? Can you light it up if that was you? Light those lights up right there. All you have to do is touch it. It's not going to hurt you. You won't even feel a thing.
Are you camera shy?
What kind of bird is that?
What? Is there something?
Not a voice.
You heard a voice?
Not a voice.
Oh. I was about to say, we need the EVP that shit. Did those really seriously just light up a minute ago?
Yeah, they flashed the light green.
There's something out here.
See this thing right here? See? It doesn't hurt you. There's nothing to be afraid of. Can you come over and touch it just like I did?
Take your light off of it though, so that way if it does, my camera will pick it up. Come on, come say hi for the camera. You can be a YouTube sensation. Oh, you don't know what YouTube is, probably.
No.
What the fuck is this dude talking about? Oh, what? Were you one of the crewmen on board at the B-24 crash?
Is Jack here?
Or do you know who Jack was? If you had anything to do with this plant or the service of the military, I thank you for your service. What? See something?
Something is definitely walking.
Is it?
Yes.
Is your EVP still going? What?
That's not what was walking.
No, that wasn't what was walking, but we got a bat friend out here with us. That was funny though.
Yeah, it was.
I gotta. That scared the shit out of you. Seeing your face, Jones. You're like. See, it's that shit that scares me the most. Real fucking animals. I'm not scared of no damn ghost.
Yeah.
Shit. If a ghost can't even make this fucking light up, I don't even know why I'm gonna be scared of you. I mean.
It's over there.
What? The walking?
Whatever, yeah. Hey, it's lighting up.
Is it?
Yeah.
That one had my damn light on it.
Are you trying to communicate with us?
You can communicate by lighting that light, touching that green light. What? See something, hear something?
You really don't hear that walking.
Oh yeah.
That.
Yeah. No, I do. There's something back there. Could be an animal though. There's tons of like possums and raccoons and. There's something
It's
back
got to be an animal. It went shh, 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 shh.
Yeah, probably is.
Spider on me.
Yeah.
I had a spider web on my butt earlier.
Yeah, that's what I fear more than anything, but spiders and fucking coyotes and big animals and shit. Now, whatever moved that branch earlier creeped me out, because you obviously didn't hear nothing, and then all of a sudden that branch is just like moving. I mean, when I pointed my flashlight over there, I didn't see no branches at all. Why don't you want to talk to us? I don't know if that's an animal. It's
You hear it?
Oh yeah. We aren't alone. That fucking brick over there, or whatever it is, I keep thinking I see a person. So every time I look, it's like, what the fuck is it? Oh, damn brick. Yeah, make sure ain't no animals sneaking up on it. Might air horn them to death.
Definitely eating.
Is it? It's
I
gotta be.
don't know.
You bad again. What the
What?
No, I heard something loud that just went. No, that was loud that time. I mean, it only did it once. Fucking bat, I'm a.
Shit, there it goes. Where'd it go?
You ever been to a place that's creepy yet?
I think it's the animals.
I don't know. No, there's something out there.
Oh no, there's definitely something out there.
If there was animals, we'd see eyes. That close. Or something move. Branches move. Because that wasn't no animal that just moved that stick over there a few minutes ago. I can't read my camera, I won't reach that far.
Alright.
What are you doing?
Oh, it's in my hand. I'm trying to take pictures.
Alright, do a few pictures and see what we do. Just remember you take two of the same ones.
You're kidding.
What? Battery die?
Fucking photos.
Nah.
Too many photos.
I was about to say, that's gonna be fucking weird if your battery just dies. If you take photos, you're gonna get orbs from what I... Really?
What?
You're gonna keep hearing that shit again. Branches crack and snap. I mean, that's almost what makes me think this ain't an animal, because for as long as we were in the fucking woods at Parker's Crossroads, we didn't hear this shit all the time.
No.
It's like this shit's everywhere. Right behind us.
Yeah. Getting rid of a whole bunch of pictures really quickly.
You're good.
Oh yeah.
Buck, Lori.
Huh?
I'm just reading some of the stuff on the stack. There he goes. K2's lighting up. There he goes. Oh. Come on. Light it up lighter than that. I know. There he goes.
If you have something you'd like to tell us, please light that up to red. Try the best you can. If you want us to go away, make it go to red.
There's some out here with it. You can speak into that orange light next to it and talk. If you have anything to tell us, please tell us in that orange light.
What?
No.
No.
What?
You said that orange light and
You heard that?
You heard that?
But sometimes spirits will just speak to you in your ear. I mean, only one person's ear, you know. They won't speak to everybody. Holy shit!
What?
I just got a big chill. Not too big, but I mean, it was definitely doing something different. It was almost like something just like moved right through me.
What?
So it was almost, you know, how you
No.
get. What? Freaking yourself out.
It's really going.
It is. It was going up to orange a minute ago.
That you make it go to yellow. 2 lights. 2 more lights.
I want to see if you're really bad and take it up to red. Only tough spirits can take it up to red.
Are you leaving us?
Do you want us to leave? Are we bothering you?
Look at that big bitch.
Yeah.
He's huge.
He's alright. That was weird. Well. See, that's what's so weird about that. It's like something's coming for a minute to say hi and then it just goes away.
Like, what is this?
And it was so weird that I got that chill right when it started doing it again. I want to see a physical apparition now.
Yeah.
I want to see like a big shadow just move right through the woods. I mean, and tonight, like if I saw that, I wouldn't chase it down like I normally would, but like doing an actual full night investigation with the whole team out here, if I saw a shadow move, even just hearing that walking, I'm going back there and I'm going to find out what it is.
Yeah.
But it's only the 2 of us. I don't want to kind of get split up. And first night out here, you know. Was it lighting up again?
No, I was looking at the ant on it.
I mean, these spirits out here, they're probably just so used to humans out here, it's like they don't even care no more. So probably the first time people came back here trying to contact them, they probably scared the shit out of them.
There it goes again. I wonder if we move it to a different spot. Off of the stack. And like down.
Let it stop first.
Mm-hmm.
Light it up again.
Please light it up again for us. Thank you. Can you do it again? Light it up to yellow.
If you know who that is making the noises in the woods, light it up. Is that an animal? Light it up. How many spirits are out here in these woods? I can honestly say I haven't been to too many haunted places yet because we're just getting started in the paranormal thing.
Yeah.
But I can almost for sure tell you this might be one of the most haunted places we ever check out. I mean, unless we like went to Waverly Hills or something. But
Is there a little boy out here with us?
little boys probably hiding back there with their toys. I'm like, fuck this shit, I ain't coming out here. This Smoke Stacks Millington.
Ooh, I get chills.
Did you?
Yeah, first I felt the energy change again, and now I got the chills. Look.
That's what I just felt a minute ago.
You see him still popping up.
Yeah.
There, he's still popping up.
Yep.
There's on this one. Right.
I mean, we gotta definitely have something on EVP.
Something with me?
Come touch this green light that my flashlight's on.
I'm gonna set down my flashlight. And put it down, flash down here so I can see those.
Yeah.
Alright, that flashlight there, if you come and twist the end of it just like that, the light will come on and we can know that you're talking to us. Can you just try to turn it on for me?
What?
Like a pig. It's real easy to do, and we'll know that you're here trying to tell us something. Try real hard to turn that on for me.
Max has got to come out here with us.
Oh, yeah.
He's gonna love this place. How many investigations have y'all done together? You and Max.
Several small ones. Thank you for turning it on.
Are you shitting me? Turn it. Can you turn it back off?
Please. pretty please turn that back off for me so we know that it really was you. Ready, set, go. We would really like to know that it is you. Can you turn that off for me? Try really hard for me. I would be so proud. Yeah, we had done several house investigations.
Nice. Any place as creepy as this?
No. Okay, I don't think that was really you since you can't turn it back off. This is how I would like to talk to you. Can you turn it off for me? How did it come on?
I know, because you even set it down like, not too softly and it didn't turn on. It's not like it was sensitive, you know. So whatever, it was something that had to touch it. Look, well. Alright, it's back off again. See, it's not coming on by rolling it. It's off right now.
Okay, we've turned it off.
That was you. Turn it back on. I can't wait to analyze that EVP.
Oh, yeah.
Like, before we leave, though, we should just, go back to your car and, replay some of this EVP in the car.
Oh, yeah.
Just kind of
What time is it?
I don't know. I don't want to get out of my...
Yeah, I don't want you to lose the video.
Because as soon as I stop this video, fucking K2 is going to go off, light's going to light up.
Yeah.
Trees are going to start moving. It's like, oh, they're not videoing this anymore. We scared the shit out of them now.
Okay, show me that you are strong enough to turn that light on. And turn the blue flashlight on for me, please. If Jack is here, Jack, can you turn that light on for me? You can use this flashlight to find your way back.
Let me see, you just set that down really hard and keep going. That's good though. Yeah.
Okay, I fixed it so it'd be much easier for you.
See, it almost kind of feels the energy change. I don't feel like there's nothing around it. It's not like I'm feeling...
No, not anymore.
A minute ago, you feel overwhelmed. Really?
That is awesome. Can you turn it off so I know that it's somebody that's for real? Okay, ready and
turn it off.
Thank you.
Are you shitting me?
Oh.
Oh, you are shitting me. Turn it off if you're not sitting there.
Okay, turn it off.
Yes, you are sitting there.
Okay, so you're not a spirit. This is just coincidence.
You got a haunted flashlight. If that really is you, make those green lights light up again. If that was you that turned the flashlight on. What?
Oh. Oh.
What?
Major
Yeah,
chills.
There's somebody here.
Can you... We would love to talk to you this way, and
Yeah.
if you're really there and you have an answer that is a yes, you can turn it off or turn it on for us. Oh.
What?
If it's a no, then just leave it alone. Okay. Is this Jack? If it's you, turn it off.
If this is another spirit communicating with us, turn it off.
Thank you. Thank you. Is it the little boy? Or is that you? No? So it's somebody else?
Is there a Wilbert out here? Or is there a Tina out here? Those are names other investigators got on EVPs. They're probably like, what the hell is an EVP?
It's crazy.
Who's that on?
We really appreciate you coming to talk to us. Thank you, thank you. Okay, can you turn it back on? Thank you. Okay.
Turn it off. Turn it off on the count of 3. 1, 2, turn it off.
3. Okay.
If you know who it was that was moving the sticks and the leaves earlier, turn it off. If that was you that moved the leaves and the sticks earlier in the tree branches, turn it off. Are you camera shy? I can post this on what's called the internet and show the whole world and tell them you're here.
Would you like that?
There's a lot of people that don't believe in you. You gotta prove to them that you're still here by responding to our questions.
Would you like us to leave?
If you want us to leave, you're gonna have to turn that green light all the way up to red.
Tell us your name. Are you still here with us?
You're just gonna turn our flashlight on and leave? You could have at least been nice and turned it off before you left. We're wasting our batteries. Whatever spirits are out here, telling you right now, you do not have permission to follow us home.
You do not have permission to follow us home. Do you understand?
You can stay in these woods. This is your home. This is where you need to stay. We'll come back and visit you.
Oh.
If there's anything demonic out here in these woods, turn that light off. That's good to know. Because I don't do demonic.
Right.
If there's something demonic, I'm fucking out here.
Right.
You let it have it. You're not risking a fucking possession.
Should we be worried out here?
Were you able to take some pictures?
Yeah, I was able to take some pictures.
Good. Cool.
Quite a few.
We'll go for about 14 more minutes and I guess we'll call it good. We'll have been doing it for a good hour. I would like to see how active this place is at 3 o'clock in the morning.
No kidding. That was really close.
What? Oh, that dog?
The people that were talking. That made the dog bark.
I didn't hear people talking.
We don't have too much longer out here. If you are here, that flashlight is real easy to turn off and communicate with us.
Mine's not easy to turn off. If you could turn mine off, I'd probably shit my pants. I ain't even gonna lie on that one. If something clicked, something went like this and just went.
I'd be freaking out.
I'd be like, okay, I'm going.
I'm gonna take my flashlight back if you don't use it.
If you're bored with the flashlight, you can use this little thing over here. You were using it earlier. It's probably a lot easier. All you gotta do is get up next to it and touch it.
The light took left.
Yeah. But I just came to say hi for a minute. Not bad for a little mock investigation. What? You hear something walking? Yeah, I thought.
Like someone's at my car.
You wanna go back? We can if you want. We can go back.
I'm really hearing a lot of that talking.
Alright, let's go.
And it's not ghosts.
Alright, let's go. We can listen to some of these EVPs too.
Yeah.
While we're in your car.
It really does sound like, I don't know.